It's hard to stay motivated in the IVF and fertility world for sure. And if you're having trouble, we want to help you out through that process. So there are some things you can do to stay motivated. Number one, understand the math. It's really critical to know ahead of time before you start what to expect. If you're expecting to be successful on your first IUI, you're probably going to be disappointed because the success rates just aren't there. On the other hand, if you're expecting to be successful on your first IVF, you might be successful, but it can take more than one try. So it's super critical for you to know your numbers. We got a great video called Embryo Math. Just check that out. It'll walk you through every single step of the process so you know what to expect for your specific journey. And that way you know how many times it's going to take you in order to be successful. Number two, this process frequently involves two people, not always, but usually. So rely on your friends, your family, your partner. It's critical that you have a sounding board, someone to talk to, someone to share with, the highs and the lows. They're there for you. They're there to listen. They're there to help you and guide you through the process. You can't get through this journey alone because it's very, very difficult. It has a huge roller coaster pattern to it, ups and downs all the time. And if you're going to survive that ride, you got to be with someone that can hold your hand to keep you steady as you're going through the process. Number three, there are loads of resources available to you. Here in our program, we've got a family doc that does counseling. We've got social work. We've got psychologists. We even have an online program that we pay for so that you can access to reduce the stress that's associated with this. Because getting the stress level down is critical to improving your chances of success, giving you the best chance possible, and making the journey acceptable. We can't just have success and have the journey be miserable for you the whole way. There's an amazing physician called Dr. Julia Sen who's done a show with us before. She's got a PhD in fertility psychology, and she will tell you firsthand about the fact that some people go through the fertility journey and are successful, but are so traumatized by the journey that they don't even know how to react to the baby when the baby is there. So make sure that you are experiencing a positive journey. Make sure your center is working with you to address your concerns and that you are availing yourself of all of the different things that they have to help you through that journey. The last thing that you can do also is use allied health services. Our naturopaths are phenomenal at reducing your anxiety, your stress levels. Acupuncturists, traditional Chinese medicine, they can do that too. Diet changes, exercise, meditation, yoga, all shown to be beneficial. So there are some other things you can do either through services or even on your own naturally at home, which will make the journey a better journey for you. Hope you find this video helpful. Let us know what your thoughts are in the comment section below.